Have you ever looked at a blank wall in your home and thought something is missing, but you were not sure what to add? Maybe it needs warmth, character, or just a little usefulness. Floating shelves can do all of that. But store-bought shelves, especially stylish ones, can get expensive really fast. The good news is that you can make beautiful, high-end looking floating shelves from pallet wood, and today I am going to show you exactly how. What makes pallet wood special is its texture and story. It has a naturally rustic look, with grain patterns and weathering that modern manufactured wood just cannot copy. When you turn it into shelves, your space gains personality, warmth, and charm that feels handmade, unique, and real. Before we begin, the first step is choosing your pallet wood. Not all pallets are the same. Look for wood that is solid and in good condition, without big cracks or soft spots. If you can, choose heat-treated pallets. They are usually marked with the letters HT on the side. These are safer to use for indoor home decor because they have not been chemically treated. Once you have your pallet slats, remove the boards carefully. You can use a pry bar, hammer, or a pallet breaker tool. Go slowly to avoid splitting the wood. After separating the boards, sand them down. You do not need to sand perfectly smooth. Keeping a bit of rustic texture actually gives the shelves more character. Just make sure there are no splinters and the surface feels comfortable to touch. Now let us talk about design. Floating shelves can fit almost any space, from living rooms and bedrooms to kitchens and bathrooms. You can make them narrow or wide, long or short, depending on your wall and your needs. The idea is to create shelves that look clean and modern, while keeping the natural beauty of the wood. The key to floating shelves is the hidden support. Instead of visible brackets, the shelf sits on a simple mounting frame that attaches to the wall. The shelf wood then slides over this frame, creating a clean floating effect. This design keeps the focus on the wood itself. After measuring the length and depth you want, cut your pallet boards. You will typically need 3 main pieces for each shelf: a top piece, a front piece, and a bottom piece. When assembled, they form a hollow box that looks solid but remains lightweight. Glue and secure the pieces together and let them dry fully. This is where finishing makes all the difference. The finish you choose will decide the final mood of the shelves. If you want something modern and minimal, choose a light wood stain or clear sealer. If you want cozy rustic warmth, choose deeper tones like walnut or chestnut. And if you love the farmhouse look, a whitewash finish can give that soft, airy charm. Apply stain lightly, working in thin coats so the natural grain still shows. Do not worry about perfection. The beauty of pallet wood is in the natural variation. It should look real, not factory-made. Once your shelves are dry, it is time to mount them. Use wall anchors or screws that match the weight you intend to place on the shelf. Take your time to make sure the shelf is level. The cleaner and straighter the installation, the more professional the result looks. When you step back and see your work, you will notice something important. The shelves do not just fill the wall. They change the atmosphere of the entire room. They add warmth, function, and presence. You now have storage that doubles as art. That is the power of handmade decor. You can style your shelves with small plants, books, candles, framed photos, or simple ceramics. The items you choose become part of the expression. The shelf is just the stage. Your personality is the display. And the best part? You created something that could easily cost a lot in a store, but you made it affordably with your own hands. Every time you walk past it, you get that quiet feeling of accomplishment. The kind that says, I made that. I brought something new into my space. I built something beautiful. Pallet wood floating shelves are more than a project. They are an expression of creativity, resourcefulness, and style. And you can make them too. When you step back and see your work in place, you will realize the difference it makes. A plain wall now has depth, personality, and purpose. You created something beautiful, useful, and meaningful, all from simple pallet wood. If you enjoyed this project and want more easy woodworking and home decor ideas, make sure to subscribe to Craft Catalog. New videos are uploaded every 2 days, always focusing on simple, beautiful, and budget-friendly designs you can make at home. Subscribing helps the channel grow and allows more people like you to discover creative projects they can enjoy. So remember to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next idea. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.